everybody, and thank you for joining me for another flip through. This is the journal that I'm going to show you in detail, but I've just put these here so you can see that there is a kind of progression. This is a teeny tiny one that I've already done a flip through for. This is a medium one, obviously, and then we've got the larger one. But this is the one that I want to show you the flip through of now. It's kind of botanical, but it's held together the same way as the other one with this hemp, I guess it is, jute. Mr. F shouting jute at me, so we'll go with jute. Bow on the side, and let's have a look inside, see what we got. Well, a pocket first off, with some numbers. It's quite a while since I made these, so I'm learning about them as you are, to be honest. A tag there. Oh, I see, this is a corner tuck, right. A nice tag with, I think there's a sticker on it, some lace and some jute at the top. Tim Holtz paper there. Here we've got a belly band with some lace on. A nice journaling card. I made that background myself. Sticker on it, backed on the back so you can journal on it. Here, oh, that lovely doily. I love this doily. And it's just got a little tab up there that pops up with a little card in there. And moving along, what do we have here? Oh, it's two pockets with little journaling cards in, some lace on the pockets, as you can see, and little journaling cards. There's quite a lot of stitching in here. Yeah, quite a lot. And here we've got a down pocket. It's a tag made of Tim Holtz paper, butterfly on it, the hemp there, and it's just an up tuck. I'm going to call it an up tuck. Yeah, it's an up tuck. With this, I really like this journaling card actually. And it just tucks into the up tuck like that. Here we have, what do we have? I think I've made a pocket out of a tag. With some die cuts made of some background paper that I made myself, some labels on it, a little tag at the top and another little one there. I made that background paper myself too. That just fits into there. Then this, which flips up and has a journaling card in. This is pretty, isn't it, this sticker? It's lovely. And a specimen card on there. That's really nice, that is. Really nice. And one of these stamps from Tim's latest release, not the Halloween one, the one before that, with Stampers Anonymous. I love these collage. There's butterflies and roses and whatever. Some lace at the bottom that folds down, and then here we've got a belly band. It's an up tuck and a down tuck. They're tags, and they're held together with eyelets and a piece of jute, and that just slides in behind them, so you don't need untie the belly band. It's just there. You can untie it if you wish. Here we have that's what we have. This has been made into a tuck spot, this Tim Holtz floral, which I received in Happy Mail from Chestita, and that's just a little journaling card, and that just tucks into there, like so. That had me foxed for a moment. Then here, we've got an up corner this time. Blimey, lots of ups. So that's very pretty. A little journaling card here, lots of stitching on here. That's really nice. And then this pocket here with two big butterflies, some numbers down at the bottom, and a butterfly tag in there. And then here we've got a little corner tuck a couple of pieces of ephemera in, stitching again here. Oh, another, oh no, it's not an up tuck as such. Kind of is, but not quite, because it's got a little tiny, teeny, look at that, little clip on it. Smallest clip in the land. And that just goes over the 2 pages, and it holds that in place on there, which is lovely. It's stitched around and what have you. And then on the other side, it holds this in place, which I stamped and decorated. And I really like that card, actually. The paper itself I made. Well, not the paper. No, not the paper. I made the pattern that's on it. That sort of rusty kind of pattern. And then here we've got one of those specimen cards. We've got some faux aged packing tape there. A journaling card in there. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Bit of lace down the bottom. Loads of stitching. Loads. Here we've got a pocket stitched around. A butterfly to tuck, I beg your pardon. That's some more of that paper that I did. A stamp on it, some numbers at the top. Here another pocket with a sticker on, some lace, some stitching, a tag at the back, pretty as well. Then here we've got, and I don't know quite what to call it, I'm calling it a keep, because it does just keep that in. Another journaling card that I stamped myself. I really like those. And that just keeps it there. Then we've got a side pocket with the specimen label, a sticker on there and some stamps, etc. A bit of lace at the bottom, sewn all around, and a little journaling card. I do like that one. It's kind of dainty and delicate, and I like it. That goes into there. Then this one, well, that's nice, with a tag in the back. This, another butterfly tuck pocket with a journaling card like so. Corner tuck pocket with a journaling card, embossed stamp on that one. This sort of keep again with a little specimen card in with a sticker on and some stamps sewn into place. And then on the back we've got a little lace pocket, journaling card, and a tag with a little tag attached to it with a number on. So that goes in there. That goes in there, and that's the end of our medium-sized journal. That's the back cover there, the spine and the front. So I was beginning to get more botanical but it's still very Timmy. All the papers are Timmy, etc., and quite a few papers I've made myself. So that's that one. Thank you very, very much for stopping by to have a look at it. I hope that you get inspired by, something that you may have seen. You never know. There's quite a lot of stitching, as I was saying. You've got all these lovely threads, which I think really add to it. So I'll see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye.